Give your shower a spa-like experience while still saving both energy and water with our ShowerRail kit. The ShowerRail kit is designed for hassle-free installation using existing plumbing with no need to drill. To get started, you will need the ShowerRail kit, Teflon tape, an old toothbrush, a small towel, and a crescent wrench. Begin by unscrewing the old shower head from the shower head arm by turning it counterclockwise. Remove any existing Teflon tape residue with an old toothbrush, and thoroughly clean and dry the threaded area of the shower head arm. Apply fresh Teflon tape to the existing shower head arm. Then mount the new shower rail to the shower head arm by screwing the hex nut clockwise. The included washer should be inside the hex nut before threading onto the shower head arm. Tighten the hex nut with a crescent wrench to ensure a snug fit. Next, be sure the shower wall is clean and dry where you plan to mount the drill-free suction cup. Firmly press the diverter knob against the wall and turn the suction cup knob clockwise until you hear a click. If you're mounting to an uneven surface, such as a tiled shower wall, use the provided adhesive pad and hardboard discs for mounting the drill-free suction cup. Peel off the white paper and clear film from each of the provided discs and adhere the adhesive pad to the hardboard. Ensuring alignment with the drill-free suction cup, remove yellow paper from the back of the adhesive disc and affix it to the wall. Firmly press the diverter knob against the wall and turn the suction cup knob clockwise until you hear a click. Now, connect the new shower head and hand shower attachment included in the ShowerRail kit. In a clockwise direction, apply Teflon tape to the threads of the shower head connection at the top and to the hand shower connection right of the diverter. Ensure that the supplied washers are installed in the shower head ball joint and both ends of the hose connections. Be sure to hand tighten the shower head and hand shower attachments. If you notice leaks after turning on the water, you may need to reapply the Teflon tape on the threads of the shower head arm. Now you're ready to start saving water and energy with your new ShowerRail kit. We offer a variety of shower heads to meet your unique needs. To choose the shower head that's right for you, visit us at www.amconservation.com.